Brace yourself for the ultimate lineup of wood and forestry machines that are nothing short of extraordinary. These groundbreaking innovations combine raw power, unmatched precision, and cutting-edge technology to transform the way you work. From slicing through massive logs to producing perfect wood chips, these machines don't just get the job done, they redefine what's possible. Let's jump into the future of timber and forestry. Vermeer WC 2300 XL Whole Tree Chipper. A robust solution for producing high-quality wood chips, the Vermeer WC 2300 XL uses variable speed dual infeed conveyor chains and smart crush technology. This chipper processes logs and slash efficiently, ensuring valuable output. Its replaceable wear parts simplify maintenance, making it a favorite for industries relying on sustainable wood chip production. Baker Products High-Production Sawmill. This is a state-of-the-art sawmill designed for high production efficiency. Equipped with a powerful 50 horsepower electric motor, it can handle both hardwood and softwood logs with ease. Its 36-inch all-steel band wheels ensure extended blade length and enhanced cutting speed without compromising precision. Additionally, its ergonomic hydraulic controls simplify operations, making log breakdown more efficient than ever. Drumet machines. Known for their durability and precision, Drumet woodworking machines excel in processing wood up to 380 millimeters thick. The TT400 circular saw is perfect for cutting outer layers, while the WD200/240M twin-shaft multi-saw processes logs into thinner planks. These machines are prized for their failure-free operation and robust design. Ponsse debarking machine. This professional debarking machine is perfect for preparing round timber for further processing. Designed for safe and convenient use, it features an adjustable feed for altering surface quality and can debark logs up to 15 centimeters in diameter at speeds of up to 9 meters per minute. An integrated ejector fan automatically removes processed chips, streamlining operations. Cambio 800 debarker with CIM 750 infeed. Ideal for handling logs up to 795 millimeters in diameter, the Cambio 800 stands out for its durability and low operational costs. Its triangular feed design and carbide debarking tools deliver top-notch performance. Powered by compressed air, the machine offers a reliable, efficient debarking solution for challenging environments. Vermeer WC Sawmill Factory. This fully autonomous sawmill factory integrates cutting-edge technology to optimize wood processing. It features double chipper canners, quad vertical bandsaws, and an advanced edger capable of processing up to 40 boards per minute. With a production capacity of 500 cubic meters in just 8 hours, this factory exemplifies efficiency and precision. Rotney H8D Harvester. Built for selective thinning, the Rotney H8D combines a two-part chassis with an articulated joint for exceptional maneuverability. Its Rotney traction control system provides anti-spin functionality and 3-speed intervals, ensuring efficient and precise operations in densely wooded areas. Dangle machine. Equipped with a 220 horsepower QB 6.7 Tier 3 diesel engine, this machine excels in challenging harvesting applications. Its IQ electro-hydraulic control system and impressive drawbar pull make it ideal for steep terrains. The dual swing drive delivers smooth, consistent performance. Tiger Cat 724. The Tiger Cat 724G boasts improved weight distribution and balance, enhancing its performance on rough terrains. Designed for large diameter wood applications, it features an advanced engine cooling system and efficient hydraulic components, ensuring maximum productivity and reliability. John Deere 959 M-Tract Feller Buncher. This powerful 246 kilowatt machine is built for stability and ease of maintenance. Its wide undercarriage enhances balance, while the optional Rapid Cycle System, RCS, allows operators to customize settings for varying harvesting conditions. With a 30% increase in cutting swath, it ensures top-notch performance. Tiger Cat Mulcher 480B. Designed for the toughest terrains, the Tiger Cat 480B mulcher is powered by a robust 480 horsepower Tier 4 engine. Its durable construction ensures longevity while maintaining fuel efficiency. With fast load response and low operating costs, this machine is a reliable choice for heavy-duty mulching tasks. Vermeer HG6800TX Horizontal Grinder. The Vermeer HG6800TX is a powerhouse grinder featuring a 950 horsepower engine and low sidewalls for easy feeding of large materials. Its smart grind feed system optimizes performance by adjusting grinding speed, while the optional damage defense system prevents metal contamination. Ideal for stump removal and large-scale grinding tasks. Ponsse Bear Harvester. The Ponsse Bear Harvester is an absolute titan in heavy-duty forestry, boasting unmatched power and precision. With the industry's most powerful engine in a durable crane capable of 250-degree rotation and 80-degree tilt, this machine tackles dense forests with ease. Its advanced ergonomics, large harvester head, and synchronized winch system ensure high efficiency and reduced fuel consumption. Built for challenging terrains, the Ponsse Bear is the ultimate choice for maximizing productivity while protecting its components and extending its lifespan. Spindleless Veneer Peeling Lines by Fezer. Designed to process even the smallest logs with exceptional precision, the Spindleless Veneer Peeling Lines by Fezer stand out for their efficiency and high recovery rate. This innovative machine can peel logs down to the smallest diameter while maintaining the highest veneer quality. With advanced automation and peeling process control, it ensures accuracy, high output, and minimal labor. Its waste management system also simplifies cleanup, making it a game changer in veneer production. And there you have it, the most incredible machines redefining the world of wood processing and forestry. From unstoppable splitters and precision veneer peelers to powerhouse harvesters, these innovations prove that no task is too big or too challenging. With cutting-edge technology, unmatched efficiency, and game-changing features, these machines are here to revolutionize your operations and make your work more exciting than ever. The future of timber and forestry is here. Are you ready to embrace it?